Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when PC turn on this error shows to Windows 10 on volume 4, both not working. I have two options that are the same. It says Windows 10 and underneath Windows 10 it says volume 4. Each option will load and give me the Windows symbol, but then send me back to the operating system screen. Even I am choosing a default operating system with the same problem. After I choose reset the PC, local reinstall, and keep files. This happens after it restarted. When finished downloading the Windows it shows the loading of resetting this PC and it got stuck at 81%, so when I turn on the power it does not boot and it shows me to the menu to select OS and it shows two Windows on volume 4. I tried to reset it again. Even reset the BIOS, the menu was still there, and when I pick the OS, it does not boot and loop me to the menu over and over again. You will need to create a bootable Windows 10 USB on another working PC. After create the USB bootable pendrive, then insert the USB into your PC first, start your PC, and see if it just boots. Form the USB bootable pendrive. If it does, you are good to go. If not, boot into BIOS, usually F2 key on the manufacturer's logo screen. In BIOS, go to the boot menu bar, then set the USB drive as the primary boot device, then restart your PC and it should boot from the USB to begin the installation. This problem will be fixed only by reinstalling Windows 10 or Windows 11. Windows 10 installation process. You know how. If you don't know, follow me. Hopefully this problem will be solved after installing Windows. Simply format the drive to install Windows 10 on the drive. Windows 10 installation process will take some time. Windows will reboot several times during the upgrade process. Follow prompts till it finishes. Complete Windows 10 installation. Now the installer tool will guide you through the rest of the process. Just follow the steps to complete the installation process and you'll have Windows 10 installed on your device at the end of it. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.